welcome back to Cab Ride Cycle Ride with SOS Bicycle Group with MAAP collaboration. There is a ride, so yeah, I'm wearing this beautiful jersey and yeah, I'm full on ready. Ride is starting at 6:30, now 6:09, and a lot of good bikes I can able to see here now. So this is my beautiful booster. Yeah, beautiful. Ooh, let's go, man. Excited. So actually, I'm riding after a long time. I had a Pochang trip, and after that I had a beautiful trail run. No bike store, right?
So what could be there?
Thank you.
จริงๆก็เอาได้นะครับไม่เป็นไรเผื่อจะทานได้เลย
There's a lot of people already here. So today will be fun. So it's almost like 90 kilometers, 70 plus 20. I'm not sure I'm doing the whole loop, but let's see. But it will be fun. So I'm not stretching today. It's very sabai, and yeah, social gathering, social ride. How are you, man? Yeah. Go. Let's go, let's go. Nice, it will be fun today, hopefully. And the weather is good. It's cloudy. Hopefully no rain. Let's go. Sabai anymore, so it is like almost average 40 plus mph and very fast. Oh, this is amazing beauty. It was a fast ride, really fast. Oh, God. Cab cup.
Cab. ไอซ์ลาเต้ค่ะไอซ์ลาเต้อะไรไปคะไอซ์ลาเต้
Man, it was fast, man. Huh?
Okay.
It was so fast.
ผู้ชายมารับกาแฟหน่อยค่ะ
It was actually fantastic ride. Group was amazing. This beautiful group here. Yeah, man. Nice. And coffee was also good. So we are at Narak Cafe somewhere. Some game. They organize this MAAP with SOS Club. So there will be some game. almost 40 kilometer done. Around 50 kilometer left. So yeah, we're going back now. And this is my beautiful Gusto. Wow. Too fast. Already 68 kilometer done. See you, man. So overall it was amazing ride, almost 75 kilometers, and yeah, few guys are riding so fast. So yeah, anyway, it is like average around 32 kilometer kmph. It was fun, definitely fun. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to CapDrive, and this kind of videos will come soon. A lot of videos running, cycling with CapDrive in Bangkok. Let's go. Bye.
So traffic jam is stay left here.